Robots are going to take my job. Well, not really. Welcome to our latest video where we'll be diving into the hot topic of artificial intelligence in cleaning. As technology continues to advance, more and more companies are incorporating AI into their operations, and the cleaning industry is no exception. Hi, it's Matt, and today we'll be giving our hot takes on the use of AI in cleaning, discussing its potential benefits and exploring the challenges it may pose. From autonomous cleaning robots to predictive maintenance software, we'll be covering it all. Let's get real. AI is not taking your job or replacing your workforce anytime soon. In fact, in 30 years of doing business in this industry, innovations have been slow and not very notable. So today, I'm going to talk to you more about the AI and tech that the industry has gotten to mass market. The commercial cleaning industry, frankly, has been slow to adopt technology due to the expense. There's also an old school mentality with the generations that are still in our industry that resist anything technology-based.
Ooh, away, scary robot, away.
That shouldn't stop you from looking into what is available and how it can actually make your work as an owner and a manager easier, but also make the worker's experience more enjoyable. AI and tech will help with your biggest and most boring jobs. Many people think AI and immediately go to the movie portrayal of iRobot. I promise that we won't be seeing sentient robots dusting and emptying trash anytime soon. In fact, if they were, they probably wouldn't be dusting or emptying trash. But we will see our floor and carpet cleaning machines roaming hallways. Many manufacturers have been selling floor machines, autonomous floor machines, and vacuums to clean larger spaces that are easy to navigate and easy to program. Think gymnasium floors, hallways, and conference centers. As many as 15 years ago, in fact, I saw the first autonomous auto scrubber at an ISSA show in Las Vegas. I deliberately stood in front of that unit while in operation to see would it run me over. Well, it did stop after a slight bump. No, I didn't end up in an ER, but it wasn't really there yet. Fast forward to last year's ISSA show, and the machines are being manufactured by many, and the tech is cheaper and better than ever. Still not making the decisions that a person can make, but can easily take the place of a person walking behind a machine, floor machine or vacuum, for hours and hours at a time. Workers, don't panic.
The goddamn robot's done!
Now that person that's no longer behind the machine will monitor the progress of it through an app-based program while completing more complicated or thorough tasks. That person can then be more valuable to the company, meaning higher wages. Yes, the machine should save you money as an owner or operator, but it also gives you the flexibility to get more from your current team. They can focus on the details instead of the boring stuff. Machines are not just scrubbing floors, like I said, they're also vacuuming hallways. They're vacuuming large open spaces. So when you're ready to take a look, you want to start looking at the big boys like Advance or Tennant. Newcomers to the industry are making noise too, Minuteman and AvidBots. All of these manufacturers offer leasing programs that are, although expensive, they're also attainable by most companies. I recommend you get a demo to start so you know what you're getting into, because not all facilities will be a good fit for autonomous machines. AI and technology will make you more valuable to your customers and employees. Other AI and technology that is often overlooked in our industry are CRM systems. Every business owner I know uses a customer relationship management system of some type. Being able to view and report on business-related activities allows you to make better decisions on staffing levels and show value with your customers. If you search CRM janitorial online, you'll likely find many options. Some are proprietary to our industry and others will need some customization. Whatever you choose, it will take time to set up and to make effective. Once it is fully integrated and adopted, it will make you more efficient in managing staff and in customer expectations, enabling you to focus on the things you want to focus on, growth and the people. Lean into this tech so that you can scale and feel confident that you can see data on your teams and customers with a click of a button or two. Don't panic, it will take time. Start planning and save your money to invest. Full adoption of AI and technology in our industry will take decades and will likely be slower in smaller businesses. Those with larger budgets are already integrating automated machines and reaping the rewards. I encourage all of us to start saving our pennies because it's right around the corner. We need to be ready. I also urge you to look at your current portfolio and analyze the potential benefits of an automated machine or machines. These machines are effective and frankly, they're really cool. Just be smart on when it is time. Avoid tech resistance. Remember the wise words of Ferris Bueller.
You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
That's it for this video. If you enjoyed what you just watched, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.